accused of manipulating DNA tests in hundreds of cases.
District attorneys across our state are working to figure out what cases are impacted and how much. Your investigator Katie Weiss is at the Arapahoe County DA's office.
Katie, you obtained a letter with new information.
Yeah, Karen McKelliga, the district attorney for the 18th Judicial District, which includes both Arapahoe and Douglas counties, sent this letter to inmates last week, dozens of inmates, telling them about some of these issues, notifying them of their rights to obtain protected documents that could actually help them obtain a mistrial. Apologies, it's pretty windy out here, but this letter could help them get some information that could lead them to getting a mistrial and getting a new trial instead.
Thank you for doing your part.
In 2021, Michael Jefferson was arrested for a murder he allegedly committed more than 30 years ago. The arrest made possible by DNA testing.
Technology today that we could utilize from evidence that was collected 36 years ago.
But now the legitimacy of that DNA has been called into question following an internal affairs report from the Colorado Bureau of Investigation. It alleges one of its star forensic analysts, Yvonne Missy Woods, manipulated and intentionally deleted some DNA results in many cases spanning more than a decade.
It's scary to think that these types of errors could have occurred. It's also scary to think that they weren't caught by their quality control people.
Michael Fay is a defense attorney representing Jefferson. He's been fighting for more information about the DNA debacle at CBI. His work led to the district attorney sending this letter to dozens of inmates, notifying them of anomalies that may affect Woods' credibility in court, and that the court authorized additional disclosures in any case where Woods handled, analyzed, or otherwise worked on evidence, even in any closed or inactive case.
The government's not always so keen on being forthcoming with information like this, and you have to fight to get it. So we're happy that that's now available to other defendants.
The DA's office says about 67 cases in Arapahoe and Douglas counties have been impacted so far. A CBI spokesperson says the letter is not unique to those counties, and it is similar to what most DAs statewide are sending to inmates.
Have you been hearing from previous clients about, their desire to challenge their cases?
I have. I've been contacted by multiple clients from cases as old as 15 years ago.
Now, Woods' attorney did send us a written statement today saying, quote, "We understand and appreciate the district attorney's obligations to notify defendants of any information that may be exculpatory, whether or not it is. Every criminal defense attorney has an obligation to determine if the issues at the CBI should impact each of their clients' cases, especially given CBI lab management's likely awareness of those issues going back to at least 2018. Now, CBI has requested more than $7 million from the state to pay for this retesting of DNA and court case reviews as a result of some of these allegations. We'll, of course, stay on top of it for you and keep it posted as we learn more. Reporting live in Arapahoe County, I'm Katie Weiss, covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Katie, for your reporting.